Are you struggling with uploading large files to Azure Blob Storage? It can be incredibly frustrating when you hit a timeout error after hours of work. Today, we're going to tackle the issue of Azure BlobWriteStream Timeouts and help you get your data uploaded successfully. I completely understand your frustration. Waiting for hours only to receive an error message can feel like a punch in the gut. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when dealing with large data uploads. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. You mentioned trying to upload a massive 300 gigabytes file to Azure Blob Storage, but after around 8 hours, you received a timeout error. This is a common issue, especially with large files and slower upload speeds. So what's happening here? The error message indicates that the client could not finish the operation within the specified timeout. This often happens when the upload speed is too slow or the timeout settings are not configured properly. Stick around. I'll share some effective solutions to help you overcome this timeout issue. And trust me, you won't want to miss the final tip that can save you a lot of time. To address the timeout issue during the upload, the user should first consider increasing the timeout settings for the BlobWriteStream. This can help accommodate larger uploads, especially given the user's upload speed. Next, the user should implement a retry mechanism. This will allow the upload process to attempt again if it fails due to a timeout, which is particularly useful for large files. Additionally, the user might want to consider breaking the upload into smaller chunks. This can help manage the data transfer more effectively and reduce the likelihood of timeouts. Finally, the user should monitor the upload process. This can be done by logging the progress and any errors that occur, which will help in diagnosing issues in real time. Fun fact: did you know that the first hard drives could only store a few megabytes of data? Now we're uploading hundreds of gigabytes in a single go. Technology has come a long way, but sometimes it still trips us up. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to adjust the blob request options maximum execution time to a longer duration. This can help prevent the timeout error you're experiencing. Additionally, enabling storage diagnostics logs can provide insights into latency issues, whether they are server-related or end-to-end. Another suggestion is to use the Microsoft Azure Storage Data Movement Library for uploading large files. This library is optimized for high-performance uploads. Here's a quick code example to illustrate how to use the Data Movement Library for uploading files efficiently. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution comes from another user who found that upgrading to version 8.1.3 of the Azure Storage Library resolved the timeout issue. They noted that in this version, the maximum execution time setting is now honored, which was previously ignored in earlier versions. Here's a pro tip: always monitor your upload progress and adjust your strategy based on the speed and reliability of your connection. This can save you from unexpected timeouts in the future. And there you have it. By adjusting your timeout settings, breaking your uploads into smaller chunks, and checking your network speed, you can overcome those pesky timeout errors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.